Yo, what is up everyone? This is your boy Devil Dog with another video on a tutorial. This time it's on Adobe Premiere Pro on how to make a looping clip in less than 2 minutes. The first thing you want to do when you're making a looping clip obviously is to open Premiere Pro. Okay, so when you're in Premiere Pro, obviously go to new project, title it looping or whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna just call it looping just for an example. You get to your timeline, you want to drag a clip onto your timeline. So I want to do that right now, dragging a clip. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is obviously turn the volume down to the very lowest. All right, so you go to the point in clip where you want to really capture the moment. I'm gonna go into where he's about to cut his fingernail off. So I'm gonna just go ahead and delete all the way up to there and go till he's over it. We'll take the second video and put it on top of the first video, but only halfway through. That's the first step into making a loop. Second step, go to your effects and type in dissolve, and it'll be called film dissolve. You drag the film dissolve to your clip. You drag the film dissolve until it gets to the end of the other clip, and that is your basic starting to your loop. Copy all this. Drag it all the way back to the beginning of your timeline. Copy, Alt, and hold the mouse. Copy the clip multiple times and do it as long as you want it to go for. And that is how you make a looping video. So you can play through right now what the looping video looks like. You can see that he goes back multiple times and cuts off his fingernails.